Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 25th of February, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, guys, got a lot to cover tonight, so let's jump right into it. This week in the shop, the projects we completed and things we worked on. So let's talk a little bit about what we did this weekend. This weekend we went to an auction. Had a great time. It was a busy auction.
It was a busy auction, like standing room only busy auction.
It was really busy. Had a lot of nice stuff. Came away with two things that I really wanted. Two of the major things that I went there for. One was a horizontal bandsaw for cutting metal. Michael and I checked it out yesterday. Works well. Cut a piece of metal, nice, smooth. Everything looked good. I thought the blade was going to need to be replaced, and thought the guide bearings were going to need to be replaced. But lo and behold, great shape. Wasn't
Yep,
it
was in really good shape.
We got a DeWalt sliding compound miter saw, a DW 718. Nice looking saw, real smooth, moves well, needs some new brushes, and we'll talk more about that in a little bit, but we did get the brushes ordered for that last night as well, so
yes,
another little thing completed. We edge trimmed the remaining boards that were sitting on the rescue trailer. Now we talked a little bit about that. We've done some the week before, got that done. I think it was about 200 board feet. I'm gonna guess we got 350, 400 board feet. Does that sound about right to you? Really nice looking lumber, wasn't it? The stuff that we kept, we threw out a bunch of stuff, but the stuff that we kept was, wow, that's
pretty nice stuff.
Board.
Yeah,
we got some real heavy 1-inch boards, and then some right at 1-inch thick.
And everywhere from like 10 inches to 12 inches, wasn't it?
12 inches, and 1 or 2, maybe even 6 inches. But some nice looking boards. It was worth the effort. Didn't take long. We got about an hour and 15, 20 minutes worth of sawing on there, moving boards and sawing. Come out really well. We bought some supplies this evening for an upcoming project that we got going. It's
I'm excited about this one.
Now this is going to be a big project. We'll talk more about that in just a second. We treasure hunted in my old recliner there.
Yes.
This is what we got out of it.
That was a project and a half.
I'll tell you what, we get anything else out of that?
Got some cash, got some glasses. I think 3 pairs of your glasses we found hidden in various spots, which were kind of funny.
That was a profitable undertaking.
It was.
Right there. Plus we got all the treasures in here. We released that GoPro video of Mama cutting a pine log. Didn't get a lot of response on that. Didn't know if y'all liked that view. If you didn't watch the video, let me know in that video. If you haven't seen it, watch it and tell me if you like that view. If you have already seen it, just go in there and type quick comment in and let me know what you think about it, so I know if we want to keep doing those. But I kind of like that view there. I really did.
I like the view from up top because you get to see more of what you're doing. When it's straight on, walking in front of it, you block a lot of it. So that straight down video, you get to see exactly what we're doing.
I kind of like a little fish eye view on it. But y'all let us know what you think on that, and if you like it, we'll continue to do more of those. Alright guys, let's move on. Alright. Now, let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. Now, there's a lot coming up. We got 2 big projects, which kind of is the same project, same person. If you remember our good friend Nikki that has the, I guess, Playhouse down in Augusta. We built some tables for her a while back for a play. Now, remember, we built 4-foot in diameter tables on there that were cut in half. So during the play, they'd come together and make a circle, and then they'd be half circles, and the kids stood and danced on them. She really liked them. She's got them and plans to use them in the future. But she contacted us through Michaela the other day, and she needs a 10-foot tree and a 10-foot high, 14-foot wide peach. That's right. Huge peach. Now the tree is going to be used in 2 plays, and the peach is just going to be used in 1. We're only cutting the wood and cutting everything for the peach. We're not assembling it. We're going to take it down there. They're going to assemble it and then paint it and everything because it's just too big for them to move around otherwise. Now the tree we're going to make in 2 parts. We're going to make a 5-foot trunk, and then we're going to make 5-foot top.
5-foot top branches.
More or less 5 foot. Right? There's no absolute solid on this. We've decided how we're going to do it. We decided what materials we're going to use, and we're going to get started on that probably tomorrow. Getting working on that. I'm looking forward to that. 2 really big builds. I'm very excited.
I want to do some videos on it, or just quick pictures or something.
There'll be some video on that. That's going to be worth looking at. But they need to be done by mid-March, so that's going to take up all the time between now and mid-March in the shop. There's not going to be many other projects done. We're actually getting started back a little bit earlier than what we thought we would on doing some stuff. We're going to try to saw some more pine logs now on that, but we're running into that same problem. And
rain, and more rain.
Yeah. When I looked at the weather last weekend, this weekend was supposed to have at least one day clear. Now it's going to be raining. We're going to release Loretta edging the video, or edging those boards video, probably on Friday. So
that was fun.
Yeah, that was a neat project.
That was a quick cut too, because it's not solid slabs, so it's just cutting the edges off, and it's like, woo, you could really whip through those pretty well.
And got some really pretty.
And got some pretty boards, yeah.
We need to get with Jay and Tangi
about
the wedding. The wedding is coming up, guys. 7 months. So we got to get with you and decide what we're going to do, what projects.
What building?
Yeah, what we got to do. There's a bar that's got to be made. We got to make some. I want to say coasters, not coasters. Oh darn, the cookies, the big old cookies for y'all. So we got to get to go to dinner maybe one night. Come up here or something. We got to get together, and we need to get it written down, and we need to get a timeline, and we need to get that done. So I know y'all are going to watch the video, so y'all get with us and let us know what we're going to do about that. All right, let's move on, guys. Well, actually, I think that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything for this evening?
Didn't you want to mention the new release time?
Oh, that's right, that's right. New release times for the videos. If you noticed last week, we started releasing the videos in the evening instead of late morning, early afternoon. Nobody's able to watch them at that time. You're all at work or at school. So from now on, our release time is going to be about 6 o'clock in the evenings, and we're shooting for, of course, these every Tuesday, unless it's a 3-day weekend. Then it'll be on Wednesday at 6 o'clock. And then we're going to try to release a build video or a log sawing video 6 o'clock every Friday. So give y'all something to look at while you're getting ready to go out Friday evening. Probably will always be a 5 to maybe 10, 12 minute video. But that's our new release times on that. Anything else, Ray?
Nothing I can think of.
All right, well that really is about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the videos. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Well, I forgot to hold up my prop. The citizen started. Welcome back to.
You got a mouthful of mush, baby.
Oh, Lordy. Okay, let's try it again. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 25th of...
25th of what?
February.
No, yeah, February, not December.
Holy cow, I was going with January.
Oh.